Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So yeah, you did read that right. There is a new Kroger coupon policy, and it actually is a really big deal. It is. It's kind of major. Please, if you love Kroger now, don't give up on them. Don't give up on Kroger. Don't give up on Kroger. It's still a great store, and we're still going to get lots of freebies over there. They just really are cracking down on coupons, and it's going to make our lives harder. But I'm in it for the long haul, y'all. I am not giving up on Kroger. There are still so many deals to be had over there. It's just, they're just really trying. They're really trying it, and I don't understand why they're really pushing coupon rules so far. It's just, I think fraudsters are the ones to thank for this. They really are. Those who have gone against the rules and have hurt Kroger, they're going to punish everyone else because they are trying to limit coupons, and it's just really frustrating. So I'm going to just basically read through the policy with you and show you guys my thoughts and give you my thoughts. And we're going to talk through it. So let's just dive right in. There are three big things here that I believe really suck. First one being this. It says store management has the right to accept, decline, or limit the use of any coupons at all. Store management also has the right to limit the quantity of coupons and/or items purchased in a single transaction by a single customer in a single day. So down here, as you can see, it says coupons will be limited to no more than 5. If the manager decides you can only use 1, guess what? You can only use 1. And if you call Kroger corporate, they're not going to care because they have decided that all trust is going to management. So that's the first thing. Store management can pretty much do whatever they feel like doing. If your manager hates you or really just hates coupons, they can do what they want. They don't have to follow they don't have to follow the suggestions. It's like this policy is kind of just a suggestion. It's not really the rules, which is really crazy to me. It really is crazy to me. They have placed full and total trust in management at Kroger. That's who they trust. And it's just mind-blowing to me. It really is. This is probably, besides the printables, because that printables policy, boy, that's going to be horrible to deal with. But this one's probably the worst, besides the printables. Coupons will be limited to no more than 5 paper manufacturer coupons for like products. Each coupon value considered 1 coupon in the same transaction. You might be thinking, hey, Nick, it's always been limited to 5 like coupons. This isn't like coupons. This is coupons total for like products. So, for instance, let's say right now at Kroger, those Huggies wipes are on mega sale for 99 cents. Let's say you wanted to go into Kroger, you wanted to buy 10 wipes. You wanted to use 2 of the 50-cent off 1 printables, and you wanted to use 4 of the $1 off 2 manufacturer paper coupons. Absolutely could not do that. We could now, because we'd be following the 5 like coupons. 5 of the same coupon in the same transaction. We were always allowed to do that. So we could use 5 of the printables and 5 of the paper coupons, because they're not the same coupon. But now what Kroger is saying is you can only use 5 coupons. It doesn't matter where they came from or if they're different sources. Only use 5 coupons for the same products, like the same product line. So, whoa, that one's hard. It's not going to be as hard as the printables, though, but that one is pretty annoying. It says coupons will be limited to redemption from products currently on hand. That's easy. I like this one a lot. This is making it more clarification for those stupid 5X digitals. Limit 1 manufacturer coupon per item purchase. Limit 1 manufacturer. Okay, so that's good clarification. You know those 5X digitals, the special Kroger digitals, they ring up as a store coupon, so it's not a manufacturer coupon. I like that Kroger clarified that. I really do. I like that they clarified that on the policy. That's actually the one good move they made here. Okay, all coupons will be accepted at face value. That means no double coupons. Here's a big one for those of you who can use expireds. My store never was allowed to do it. It says you cannot use an expired coupons. If you've been able to do it, you cannot do it anymore. It's in corporate policy. Unless your management decides you're still allowed. I guess they've given managers a lot of leeway, but it does say expired coupons will not be accepted. Then only pharmacy competitor coupons will be accepted. I didn't even know they took pharmacy coupons. Had no idea. All right, y'all, this is it. This is the major blow here, what we're about to get to. But first up, it says here that free item internet coupons can be accepted. So that's good. That's actually a really good move on Kroger's part. Kroger's always been pretty good about free product ones in my experience of free products coupons. We have only one internet coupon per item, which that's obvious. And then here's the worst. In some instances, internet coupons may be limited to 2 coupons per customer in a single day. And I have had, oh my gosh, so many. Not just one person, not even 2 person. Not even 2. Just numerous. Multiple people have gone to Kroger and then come up with that saying, you can only use 2. That's serious. Like, what? What? And someone commented to me the other day who lives in Zanesville, and I didn't, or she went to the Zanesville store, and I was like, when she first commented it, I was like, what? She commented and said, I went to the Kroger on Maple, and they won't let me use more than 2 printable coupons. And I really hadn't been doing much couponing at Kroger lately with printables, so I had never had an issue. But they're probably going off the stupid policy they put out. It says in some instances. It doesn't say in all instances. So if my store is going to start this drama, seriously? Like, I hope this is not... I hope she just got a bad cashier. But she said it won't work. And she's tried it at my store, my Kroger. And now I'm kind of scared to ever try to use more than 2 printables again. But, you know... This is real, and I've had numerous people. Amy H., the one who sent me the policy, she said the store told her this just came out, like a couple days ago or something. So your store, odds are you've not been there since this started. Be prepared for this next time you go, because apparently this is happening, this is real, and Kroger's cracking down on coupons, like legit. You know, maybe you won't get affected by it. I don't know, since they've decided to let managers be in charge of so much. Maybe your store won't follow it, but I bet they will. I know my store is going to. My store is very... I got the 1 per purchase thing there not that long ago from a CSM who's been there for like 10 years. She had to know better than that. But anyways, Kroger's just got this weird vibe about coupons. I mean, do they hate couponers? I just don't understand. Where was that? I saw that on the policy. It cut off. It also said couponed items will not be sold to vendors. I got cut off from the picture. How would they know if someone's going to buy something in the store and then turn around and sell it? How would they know that? I just don't get it. Kroger is just... I tell you what, it's crazy. Alright, and then this is the same. It says internet coupons that display characteristics below will not be accepted. Blurry, out of proportion, do not scan properly, or appear to be altered in any way. That's, again, the manager decides if they think it's been altered, then they won't take it. But that's pretty standard for everywhere, and I do understand that with internet printables, but that's an issue. Final thoughts on the policy. This is pretty big, guys. I originally, I just now sat down really to look at it, and I didn't really realize how big of a deal it is. So that's why I was going to actually wait and post this video a while from now. I was going to pre-film it and schedule it, but I just felt like we needed to see this now, because I know a lot of you are going to go to the store and be upset. But I'm upset by it, but we just got to roll with the punches. There are still so many great deals at Kroger, though. I don't think they're worth giving up on. I really don't. Every store has done this from time to time. Walgreens changed. Meijer changed to 2 light coupons, and they're still great. You just have to work around it. And I just think this isn't going to be that big of a deal at Kroger. The 2 printable thing is going to be a big deal. Like, that's going to be crazy. But maybe your store won't follow it. I don't know. But it technically is in the policy. So take it as you will. I do always promote following the policy. So on this channel, I'm never going to tell you to go against that. Ever. I'll never tell you guys to go against that policy. I'm not ever going to... I know there's many YouTubers who are like, oh, who cares? You know, I'll still stack a checkout 51 with a coupon, or I'll still do this and that. I'm never going to do that. Ever. So, you don't have to worry about that on this channel. And I won't ever go against this policy Kroger's put out either. You know, you're just going to have to play around with it. Like the 2 light printables thing. I don't even know. That's crazy. Or there's the not 2 light printables, the 2 printables. Only 2 printables. If that's really how they're going to be, that's crazy. I just can't believe they're going to do that. I really can't. That's like mind-blowing. Because I feel like now I use more printables than anything. So that's crazy. I just hope that's not really... I hope the stores kind of, in some instances, I hope that's not going to be the ground rule forever. But I don't know. That person already commented that our store did this to her, so I'm a little nervous. And like I said, there's been numerous people tell me their store limited them. So I think this is going across the board. The printable thing's the worst. The printable thing is the worst. So, yeah, that's it. That's it. So, yeah, that's all I have. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. But don't give up on me. Don't give up on Kroger. I'm still promise you guys we're going to have deals. Their deals are still great at Kroger. I just think we're going to have to, they just don't want people to stock up as much. So just have to roll with it. If you only use printables, I feel so bad for you because I don't know how you're going to make it work at Kroger anymore. I really don't. But you can. With digitals and with news, if you do newspapers, I don't think we have too much to worry about. We're just going to have to rethink how we organize and do deals. So, yeah, that's all that I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.
It's not a game, it's a